How to change Lyft account's password. Let's get started. Whether you are having trouble logging in or just need to update your info, you are in the right place. Stick around till the end to learn the whole process, and trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, Lyft does not use traditional passwords. Instead, they send a verification code to the phone number linked to your account. So let's dive into how can you change your password. Here's what you need to do. Open your Lyft app. Now click on three bars given at the top left. You will find the phone option, but you won't find the option to change the password as Lyft does not include any passwords. Click on the option of settings. Scroll down. Click on the option of logout. Click on logout again. Once you log out of your account, click on get started. Now here you'll need to type in the phone number that is linked with your Lyft account. First, we can go ahead and select the country. Then type in the phone number. After you type in, click on continue with phone. Now you'll be receiving 6-digit code. Go ahead and check your phone and then type in that code over here. And with that, you'll be logged into your Lyft account. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.